Hi, in this video we'll show you how bidding with X-Time works. Since 2015, OPENLANE has started integrating its platform with different sellers. During auctions for these sellers, your OPENLANE bids are constantly compared to bids on other platforms. When you have the highest bid on our OPENLANE platform, you have the highest bid on all platforms, resulting in a high winning chance. To create a better buyer experience, the synchronized auctions always have two phases: a regular auction phase and an X-Time phase. During the X-Time phase, you get a number of seconds to update your bid. When a bid is placed on any of the platforms, the clock is reset and starts counting down again. This goes on until no more bids are placed. You can filter on these vehicles via the Find Cars tab. If you want to see the entire auction batch, use the filter on the auctions page to see X-Time batches only. On the car detail page, you will see if the X-Time phase has started. In some cases, a button will lead you to the dedicated page where you can place your bids. Depending on the seller, there are 3 X-Time variants. In the first variant, the cars appear in X-Time one by one on a dedicated page. Once a car stops receiving bids, it is replaced by another car until all the cars of the batch have been treated. In the second one, all cars are simultaneously in X-Time with the same ending times. In this case, they don't appear on a separate page. As soon as one car receives a higher bid, the clock is reset for all the cars. The last variant is the same as the previous one, only each car has a different ending time. As soon as one car receives a higher bid, the clock is reset for this car only. Remember that using My Bids is the most efficient way of bidding on cars, even if they are in X-Time. Thanks for watching. See you at openlane.eu.